Welcome to our kitchen. Imagine a salad bursting with vibrant colors and flavors, a beautiful medley of crisp arugula, creamy avocado slices, juicy cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onions, all topped with delicate Parmesan cheese shavings and a tangy Lemon-Dijon dressing. Picture each ingredient as a piece of a puzzle, coming together to form a masterpiece that's not just a feast for the eyes, but also a symphony for the taste buds. The arugula lays the green carpet, setting the stage for the rest of the avocado brings a smooth, buttery texture, while the cherry tomatoes add a burst of juicy sweetness. The red onions, thinly sliced, provide a hint of sharpness that cuts through the richness. Parmesan cheese shavings lend a nutty, salty flavor, and the Lemon-Dijon dressing ties everything together with its tangy zing. This salad is a play of textures, colors, and flavors that will surely delight anyone who tries it. Are you ready to create this culinary delight? Let's dive into the recipe. The foundation of our salad is arugula, a leafy green with a peppery bite. This lively green not only adds a punch of flavor, but also serves as the perfect bed for our other ingredients. To begin, we'll arrange our arugula on a serving platter or individual plates, spreading it out evenly to create a beautiful canvas for our salad. Next up, we have our ripe avocado. When choosing an avocado, look for one that yields slightly to pressure, indicating it's just right. Slice the avocado, removing the pit and skin, and arrange the slices on top of the arugula. The creamy texture of the avocado will provide a delightful contrast to the crisp arugula. We're not stopping there. Let's introduce some color and sweetness with cherry tomatoes. Halve these little jewels and scatter them over the avocado. Their vibrant red color will pop against the green, making our salad as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Now, for a bit of bite, we'll add thinly sliced red onions. Not only will they lend a bit of crunch, but their pungent flavor will cut through the creaminess of the avocado and the sweetness of the tomatoes, creating a well-balanced taste profile. Now that the base of our salad is ready, it's time to add some tantalizing toppings. To transform our salad from good to great, we're going to add some mouth-watering toppings. Our first topping is the ripe avocado. Avocado adds a creamy texture that will balance out the crispness of the arugula. Plus, it's packed with heart-healthy fats that make this salad not just tasty, but good for you too. Just lay those lovely slices right on top of the arugula. Next, we'll add a burst of color and sweetness with our cherry tomatoes. Halved and vibrant, these little gems are more than just pretty. They bring a juicy, sweet counterpoint to the peppery arugula and the creamy avocado. Then comes the thinly sliced red onion. Now this is where the magic happens. The sharp bite of the onion gives the salad that little kick, that zing that wakes up your taste buds and makes every bite exciting. But we're not done yet. Our next star is the Parmesan cheese shavings. These little slivers of umami goodness will melt slightly when they meet the warm ingredients, creating little pockets of cheesy delight throughout the salad. Each of these toppings brings something special to the party. They complement each other beautifully, creating a symphony of flavors and textures that will make your salad stand out. With the toppings in place, our salad is almost ready. All that's missing is the dressing. A salad isn't complete without a dressing, and our Lemon-Dijon dressing is the perfect finishing touch. For this dressing, we will need 5 simple ingredients: lemon juice, Dijon mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper. To begin, let's squeeze some fresh lemon juice. You'll want the juice of about 1 medium-sized lemon. If you don't have a lemon squeezer, don't worry. Simply cut the lemon in half and squeeze it over a bowl, catching any seeds with your other hand. This should give us around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next, we add in the Dijon mustard. The tangy, spicy flavor of Dijon mustard complements the citrusy lemon beautifully. We'll need about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. If you prefer a milder taste, you can always adjust to your liking. Now it's time for the olive oil. Olive oil helps to balance the acidity of the lemon and mustard, giving the dressing a smooth, velvety texture. Pour in roughly 4 tablespoons of olive oil, whisking it in with the lemon juice and mustard until well combined. Of course, we can't forget about the salt and pepper. These seasonings will enhance all the other flavors in our dressing. Add a pinch of salt and a few cracks of black pepper, and whisk everything together once more. And there you have it, a quick and easy Lemon-Dijon dressing. But we're not done yet. The final step is to drizzle this vibrant, zingy dressing over our salad. The key here is to drizzle, not drench. We want every leaf and topping to get a light coating of dressing, enhancing their flavors without overpowering them. So give your dressing one last whisk and drizzle it over your salad with a steady hand. You can always add more, but you can't take it away, so start with a little and add more to taste. And there you have it, a delicious, nutritious salad that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Enjoy! Let's recap the steps to make this tantalizing salad. Begin by arranging the arugula on your platter. Then adorn it with ripe avocado slices, halved cherry tomatoes, and thin slivers of red onion. Add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese shavings for an extra touch of indulgence. Finish off with a drizzle of your homemade Lemon-Dijon dressing, and voila! You've created a vibrant and flavorful salad masterpiece. Now all that's left is to enjoy. Gather your ingredients and start creating this culinary masterpiece at home. Happy cooking!